I was building an idea engine. 2 full days. Testing prompts, refining outputs, organizing systems to pull video concepts from other creators. It felt productive, strategic, like high-level creator work. But here's the thing I didn't want to admit. I was building a tool so I wouldn't have to film. That sophistication is what made it convincing. I wasn't scrolling mindlessly or procrastinating. I was preparing, being responsible. But preparation was doing double duty, protecting me emotionally and protecting me from wasting time. That combination is what made it invisible. If you're here for an AI tutorial, this isn't that. This is about why I built the tool instead of pressing record. No solutions here. Just an honest look at how learning became the excuse. Start with the research rabbit hole. One more tutorial before you start. One more breakdown of how successful creators structure their videos. One more analysis of what makes thumbnails click. The platform keeps feeding you more. Each one feels like progress because you're learning, taking notes, and absorbing information. Information that'll make your content better when you finally create it. But nothing gets created. Here's what I noticed. This isn't laziness. You're genuinely trying to improve. It's not random scrolling, it's targeted education. That's what makes it feel legitimate, even when weeks pass without posting anything. The shield underneath? If you're still learning, you haven't failed, you're just preparing. But there's a line where learning stops being preparation and starts being protection. Then there's system building as postponement. Templates, project boards, custom AI tools. The idea engine I mentioned. 2 days building a tool to grab ideas from other creators. The irony? I was building systems to avoid using systems. Every new workflow feels like you're getting closer to being ready, but the infrastructure becomes the work. The preparation becomes the product. More learning reveals more right way to do things. Storytelling frameworks, hook formulas, retention strategies, thumbnail psychology. Preparation multiplied my options, and that turned into confusion. The sophistication trap. Smart people's procrastination is productive, and when you're capable, you can dress up avoidance in strategic planning. Strategic planning becomes the most dangerous excuse because it's not obviously avoidance. It's thoughtful, it's responsible, efficient. Your strengths become your stalling tactics. Preparation kept potential alive without risking reality. As long as I was preparing, I could still be good at this. I could still imagine success without testing whether it was actually possible. What made it obvious wasn't a breakthrough. It was noticing how much time had passed without posting anything. What does one more tutorial really mean? Fear of inadequacy? Learning protects your ego from direct feedback. As long as you're still studying, you haven't been tested. You haven't found out whether what you have to offer is actually good enough. Useful knowledge builds capability. Defensive knowledge builds a buffer. Staying in research delayed the only answer I actually needed, whether this was enough for anyone to care. Systems feel safer than posting because you can control the system, but you can't control how people respond. Creative work gets judged subjectively. Someone might watch your video and think it's not good enough, or worse, they might not watch it at all. Perfect preparation can't prevent failure. Building tools keeps the camera off. It keeps you in the lab where everything is potential and nothing is a final verdict. It's a conflict of virtues. Your best qualities weaponized against creation, being responsible and efficient becomes the barrier. The unspoken question underneath all of this is, what if I'm actually not good enough? Putting something out there forces an answer. Preparation delays it indefinitely. The cost isn't just time, it's the answer you never get. But there's another cost. I'm in a dead-end job. It pays the bills, it's stable. But there's no growth path, no future. Just the same thing indefinitely. And it drains the energy I need to move forward on anything else. Every day spent preparing is another day that dead end extends. I'm still in the same place, still preparing, still avoiding the exposure that could actually change something. So here's where we are. caught between the comfort of preparation and the exposure of being seen. The tension doesn't disappear. There's no neat resolution. The idea engine can give me 1,000 options, and research can give me endless clarity, but neither can give me the one thing they quietly replaced: the courage to be seen before I'm ready. I kept thinking leadership would come after I had clarity. But this is what it actually looks like. Choosing to be accountable before you're confident. So am I building or am I hiding?